Hello and welcome to the Football Parliament podcast, your one stop destination for your football debates, opinion, and discussions. Welcome to our newest and latest segment called FPP Scout Report. I introduce to you all our FPL experts, Dhruv Dhawan, Ishan Patel, and Jaditya Khemani. So, welcome Dhruv, Ishan, and Jay. For today's video, we're going to be showing you all our initial draft that we're going to make. So, Jay, over to you from now.
Okay, so we'll directly dive into the team and we'll start with the keepers. I think a keeper is undoubtedly Martinez for me.
I think Martinez is too expensive to be one keeper choice. I think if you want to cover the Aston Villa clean sheet, you might just go for Cash or Target, who are much cheaper options in defense. So I think you might want to stick to
I think a
cheaper
4.5.
keeper this year.
Yeah,
I think a 4.5
sorry.
keeper is the choice that
Yeah,
should be there.
So
because
who do
there
you
are
think?
many premium options ahead, and we should not waste the cash on goalkeepers. I
True.
feel.
So I think at
Then who
4.5
should we
million,
go
there
for?
are only
I think
Three,
Raya we
four
should go
options.
for then in 4.5 or 5.
Who?
The
Raya?
I
10
think
keeper.
Brentford keeper. If you're going
They
going
have
for
easy
a
fixtures.
Champions League
they're
keeper, you
more of an
rather
all-out
go
kind
for
of team.
Bachmann.
Yeah, I think Bachmann might be better because you can get a 4.0 keeper Foster as well, who's good. So you can cover both of those players, and you'll guarantee
But I
have
feel
one player. Yeah, one
Brighton
keeper.
Brighton defense can be trusted. This is still a Champions League team, and it's Watford. You really can't trust them week in week out for clean sheets. And Brighton last season had the best clean sheet record behind Chelsea, clean sheet stats behind Chelsea and Man City. So I don't see why we should go for a championship promoted team when we can get a 4.5 keeper for one of the best defenses last
So
year.
who two are we going for?
I think
I
Sanchez
think
is a
one
must.
should definitely be Sanchez.
Sanchez, yeah.
It's not keeper. And the other one, I'm not sure who's the second keeper for Brighton.
So it's between Steele and I think it should be Steele. They bought one more from Ajax. I'm not completely sure who they will.
Just sorted by Brighton.
I think it should be
So I
Steele.
believe
I think it'll be Steele as well.
And as it is, if we get
But-
even if it's Sharpman, we should still go for Steele.
yeah, I think
9
so.
million between two
Or
keepers.
Unless
too
y'all
much.
think we should go for Foster, 4 million, who has a higher chance of playing maybe. Who knows?
Foster won't play. Bachmann is going to start at least 30 games this season.
So then I think we should go for Steele.
I think Steele is the best option
We'll go for Steele.
because you're not likely to go for another Brighton player. So even if you have one extra Brighton player,
Definitely.
even if in the future
The other choice you could go for is go for Bachmann and Foster in as keepers, and then you could go for Duffy as a 4 million player who, because I think
Duffy
Brighton
won't
have
be
only
starting.
Brighton only have
he
six.
won't.
Brighton only have 6.
But
players.
Lamptey's
They have-
injured.
they only
Lamptey's
have-
injured.
Yeah, Lamptey's injured for at least for the first 5 game weeks.
No,
You
but
can go for
Lamptey's
Duffy, and then
Lamptey is injured, but Veltman will go to right wing, and Webster, Byrne, and Dunk will be playing the 3 back line.
yeah, but I think as a 4 million option, you won't have anyone better than him unless you
No,
think
you
Brandon
have
Williams
you have a
starts.
lot of options.
No,
I don't think
I think
Nico
you should
Williams.
you should
Nico
stick with
Williams.
the.
Nico Williams
About-
doesn't start either. I think Trent is fully
He
fit.
won't
No,
start.
I don't think Van Dijk will play the whole game. So Nico
Yeah,
Williams
but-
might.
Nico Williams won't start at
Nico
centre
Williams is a
back,
fullback. Van Dijk is
I
a
don't think
centre
they'll
back.
definitely start at centre back.
They'll
They
just
have Konate and Matip anyways.
I think you should stick
So I
with
think
the
we'll keep it at
Brighton.
these two, yeah.
Yeah,
Do we all agree
We'll
we need
stick with these two.
Liverpool fullback?
yeah, definitely. Liverpool.
I think
we have to
Robertson.
start with.
Robertson.
I think Trent is safer. Robertson.
Obviously, the
Trent
debate
is
is still there.
expensive.
Yeah,
I
it's a
don't know if
tough one, yeah. I think it depends on the
No,
money that you have.
It's
that you
understandable,
want to spend.
Robertson and Trent, but you just see how much more Trent brings in that 0.5.
That's the.
But Robertson had more points last season.
That's
because
not right.
Trent was
You see his
injured
creative
quite a
stats.
lot, right?
The thing is, I don't know if Trent was not up to the mark at all last season, and
Yeah,
he has
he
not
was
been
like-
playing well.
He
We
was
don't-
firing
One,
shots.
I know
No,
one
no.
friendly he played and he was playing very badly. I saw that Liverpool match. One friendly he played, it was bad.
He
So I
did
don't know
end
if
the
Trent-
last
I think
season well,
what- I
though.
think
He
what
did
we
end the
do-
last season well.
Yeah. I think what we can do is maybe we can go with Trent, and then if you're lacking
Switch around in
money,
the
we can
first
come
week.
back and switch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not even first week right now. Only if we think that we need some more money forward, then we
Then
can
Stones or
I
Diaz.
think you
Which
can't
one do you
argue
want?
with Trent. He has to be
Stones.
I
one
think
of your.
Trent is very, very tough.
Trent
Yeah,
has
yeah.
to
After that,
has to be in your team.
Stones or Diaz.
I think we
I think
don't
we
go
should
for
go with a
City.
5.5.
I think we don't go
6
for
million is a bit
Diaz.
too much.
I don't think
Yeah,
we go
same.
for a City
Stones.
defender in the first few weeks.
Why?
Look at the fixtures of look at the
If you can
fixtures
stick
that
with a
City have in
formation of
first.
3-4-3, hopefully, or 3-5-2,
Yeah.
we should go with only 3 defenders and spend the money in the forward line.
So then, do we think that Shaw is definitely a must-have? If you start
Obviously.
Shaw is like
So, he
No,
has an
but
injury
Shaw
doubt,
might
but
not start. Shaw
No,
might not
I think
start.
Shaw
Tell us.
definitely
he will.
starts.
He
I
will
think
start
we
the
saw him in
first 2
we
weeks.
saw him in training as well.
Tellez has done his ankle.
The first 5 fixtures are Leeds, Southampton, Wolves, Newcastle, and West Ham. That's like an
I
ideal
think Shaw is
run for Shaw.
it's between Shaw and Digne for me.
I think Digne
I
is
want
good,
to
but
observe Digne for a while. I don't know.
No, Rafa
no,
Benitez goes with a
Benitez always
5
starts,
backline
yeah.
and he will bomb
Yeah.
those
and he
fullbacks.
always starts well.
But that's why we should have Calvert-Lewin on our team, according to me, because he will have those 5 backline. They'll be crossing the ball and that
Yeah,
guy
but
is
you have to-
confident about
So you
this
have to
season.
keep. So you think
Major-
how many you need from one team? If you're going to keep Calvert-Lewin, then you might as well keep Digne because you're kind of counting on Digne to put the crosses in
Exactly,
for Calvert-Lewin.
And in the
it
past, you
depends on
see
that.
how Rafa Benitez has played with Matt Ritchie, and he's been a FPL. He's been very good for FPL. And Matt Ritchie he used to play that left wing back kind of role, and I think Digne will do the same thing.
We can keep Digne
Another
in
option,
there.
another option could be Zinchenko, who should be starting at left back. Probably should
But
be starting
still,
with
it's that-
Walker just coming in.
It's the
but
City
The only
rotation.
problem,
Yeah,
with
Pep.
City is I think they have Tottenham. It's obviously not that much of a tough match, but I think you can get a lucky goal like we saw yesterday. Then they have Norwich, which is obviously
2
a good
lucky goals
fixture, but then-
yesterday.
Yeah, let's
Don't
not
don't you
try
think Joao Cancelo would be starting at left back for Manchester City?
No, I
Yeah,
don't
it's
think. I
all-
don't
it's
think he
all about
starts
the
because
budget.
Walker doesn't start. I don't think Walker doesn't start. Walker starts.
Walker has to start. Walker's a
I don't think he starts the first
I
few
think
games.
Stones will start definitely. If you want a City defender, keep Stones in.
but City have a decent tough start to the season. We need to
I think
target the
Tottenham,
best
Norwich,
fix.
Arsenal,
Wait, I had made
Leicester.
a list.
I think
I
those
will
first
tell
4 games are a little tough. I think Arsenal and Leicester, both of them score. Spurs,
Yeah,
I can't
exactly.
say.
So
Norwich, I don't.
Yeah.
Norwich also you can't say now. Last
We need
time
to
we saw
make
what
the
Norwich
most out
did.
of the fixtures, which we
See, now
are.
Fofana is out. Otherwise, he would have been someone I would have told we could take.
No,
I
let's
was
let's
gonna,
take
I
the
was gonna
premium.
recommend maybe. I was gonna
Let's
recommend
finish the
maybe a
premium options first.
double Liverpool defense, not
No.
Robertson, but
Liverpool has a
look at the
difficult
first.
start.
Look at the first 4.
No,
Norwich,
at all.
Burnley,
Not at
Chelsea,
all.
Leeds, Crystal Palace, and
Liverpool.
Brentford. That's like
No,
you can
I
easily
am
have
pretty
two
sure.
clean sheets.
I am pretty sure Leeds, Norwich, and Chelsea will get 1 goal against Liverpool. All 3 will get a goal against Liverpool.
It's not about the goal. We need to target the fixtures. We need to be more. We think more attacking than. We are not paying 7.5
Yeah.
million for Trent.
But the clean sheet is going to go.
Yeah,
I think clean sheet.
you're not paying
so I think
7.5.
we
We
need
can't
one
keep
United
one.
defender at least.
Yeah,
One United
we need
defender.
one
at
United
least.
defender.
So it's definitely going to be.
I think it
Shaw,
has to be
It's
Shaw.
not going to be Van Bissaka for
Yeah.
sure.
I mean,
Tackles
Bissaka
are
is a
I don't know what
must.
has Varane been priced. He's not priced yet, right?
Bissaka had a better.
announced on
Yeah.
Bissaka was better last season statistically.
Statistically,
Statistically,
Shaw has
fine.
much better
Sure.
creative stats than
Yeah, true.
way better
That
creative
is
stats
okay.
than Van Bissaka.
I don't know if
Uh,
he'll play all matches completely. So anyway, we'll have to
I
like.
think at least
make
at the
this
start we
faster.
can count on him. Yeah. I think that the next one you want to go for Digne.
Stones.
I think we
4.5
should.
option.
Okay, we leave City
think-
out completely.
I think for
For
defense
now,
at least we leave City out. 4.5 Fofana was really good, but we can't take Fofana.
Fofana is injured.
Another one I was going to recommend is Ricardo Pereira. He's going to start at wing back.
Yeah.
And
No, we can even take Evans. Evans has more attacking
Evans
contribution
is
than
actually
Ricardo
injured.
Pereira.
Evans is actually injured. This
He's
confirmed
starting.
He's injured.
He's starting the season
He's
though,
injured.
mostly.
I read it somewhere he's injured. I think
He's
the
got a-
only
And he's
Okay.
expensive.
Couple of-
He's 5
yeah.
million. Why?
the only couple of 4.5 good options I see here is
I think Ayling is one to target
or White. Yeah, I think both of those are only good.
because Leeds have tough fixtures, but you know Leeds, they're going to score.
Yeah,
as
How
well.
much do you think Romero will come
Doesn't
for?
matter.
How much do you think Romero will come
I
5
think
million.
Romero comes. It doesn't really matter.
Not more than
You
5
don't keep
million.
Spurs defense. You don't keep only Spurs defense. That's the rule.
Spurs
that I-
defense, I don't
If
think.
you want a 4.5%, take Ayling.
I think Ailing is good. They have tough fixtures though. They have United, Everton,
Yeah, that is the
Burnley,
only
Liverpool.
problem.
So if you
think
think
start of
if
the-
you think that you're going to
as a
definitely
bench
play only three
option.
defenders, yeah, the first bench option he isn't that much of a problem.
Yeah.
I think Brentford also score against Arsenal, and then they have two tough fixtures. So I think we go for Ailing.
We could target a
Oh.
Burnley defender, maybe Taylor or Loughton.
Burnley have good fixtures right at the start.
Burnley have decent fixtures, yeah.
I was just checking that on the side.
Brighton,
So
Liverpool, Leeds, Everton, Arsenal, Leicester. Okay, no. That four after.
if we
3-2
can
is
rotate
very
between a Leeds and a Burnley defender, maybe.
tough.
We could go for, how much is Cresswell for? 5.5. Okay, no.
You can also go for Kufal. He is
Kufal,
pretty
5
good.
million.
You could go
Kufal
for
is very
Kufal,
good.
5 million.
But I think if you're going to spend 5 million, you'd rather go for a Aston Villa
Exactly.
defender.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think cash might be going
I
to
think
might
cash
give you the
could be a very
points
good
that
option. Cash or
Yeah.
target, either
Martinez
one.
needs. Yeah. I think cash is a better option. I feel what you are.
I think go for a 4 million defender, the last one.
No, I think we'll go for the last defender will obviously be 4 million, but
Yeah.
so 4 million there's not a lot of choice everywhere. I think the
We've
Watford
taken a lot
defender, I
of-
forgot his name.
I think we should, for 4 million, we should look at Williams.
I think this was the
From
guy who
United?
was reading about. Yeah, Williams is good,
Yeah.
but I think
he might get
Williams
a
is- Williams might get a
a
start.
loan.
I think yeah, he might get a
He
loan.
might go on
Another
loan.
thing is, I think if you have Shaw, then you might want to get Williams as well because one of them is definitely starting.
Yeah, because
Yeah. True.
no, I really think Williams is going to go out on loan. So
Same.
if
Then you
Williams
could
might
get
go out on loan.
Southampton
I
or
think
someone
Williams
interested,
I think Williams or this guy. I forgot I keep forgetting his name. I don't know. This is the guy who starts as well for Norwich sometimes. So
not really.
it depends on you. It's like
No,
a
I think
very.
Williams-
He's going to be the last.
I think
defender. He's going to be
Williams.
the last player on your bench. So
or even
that will really matter.
Livramento. He's just
But then we finish up with
Liverpool-
two
You all
United
might
players.
want to consider Tino Livramento because he's a very attacking
Yeah.
fullback if he plays. That is
If he plays,
he-
yeah.
he might
because
get
he's only
rotated, but
17.
he
He's
will
only
get some
17.
minutes for sure.
I think we should keep Williams on for now. If he doesn't go for loan, then we'll decide.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
he'll leave it.
Because I really like Livramento. Obviously, Chelsea Young Player of the Year. So, and
William,
he's really
yeah.
attacking. He's dominated the last full
We
season.
have two Chelsea fans here. We are going to get.
It's not
We are
Chelsea
definitely
fans.
keeping
Sadly-
Havertz. We are definitely
Sadly,
keeping
no,
Havertz.
No, not at all. Sadly,
We are
can't
keeping
keep
Havertz.
Nah.
No,
We'll
no,
Then
take
do you
time
want
and
to
see
Sorry.
Havertz.
We're not keeping
Now
a
that-
Chelsea attacker. Sorry.
Now that Chelsea
I'm
going
keeping
with
Havertz
Lukaku,
in my team.
You keep
now that Chelsea is going for Lukaku, it can be very interesting for how we
Lukaku
play.
comes, then it's
How Timo Werner will play.
Even if Lukaku comes, I don't think Havertz will be dropped to the bench. He'll definitely.
Won't
Yeah,
be,
exactly.
His role will be shifted. He
No,
won't be
man.
that central
Don't start
point
with
striker.
Salah. Don't start with Salah.
you're
You
saying
have
don't
to
take
have
Salah.
You
You have to have Salah. There's no option.
Why?
You have to have Salah.
Why?
Salah is the
Yeah, we
most
want
owned
I
player
can't-
in the game.
I can't
want
in good
views on
conscience let Salah be in a team.
Look at his team selected by 48%. He just
And
takes
a
if you look at
no-brainers.
the past
It's a
2 to 3
no-brainer.
seasons, Mo Salah started the Premier League season well on every occasion.
Remember the Leeds game last season? 4-3,
Hat-trick.
3,
Yeah.
the hat-trick. If you captain him at the start
And he's
and
starting
you
with
don't
Norwich.
have him, it's done. It's done. You're starting at like last in the table somewhere.
He's starting with
I don't know. I
Norwich.
don't think Liverpool are. What is Liverpool's games again?
Liverpool's games are Norwich,
First
Burnley,
game is Norwich,
Chelsea,
so-
Leeds, Crystal Palace, Brentford.
I
That's
think
like-
Chelsea will ruin their momentum.
It doesn't
You still
matter.
have 2 games. You still have Salah for 2 games. You can captain
This-
him.
This
I
is a
believe
guy
it.
who's been top scorer from the last, I don't know, 3-4 years.
Harry Kane.
I think you definitely
You have
you
to
have
have
to take
him.
Salah. No. For FPL,
Okay,
he's
okay.
been like
FPL. He's a legend in
Now the
FPL.
other
You
one
can't
is-
go without Salah.
the
Don't
other
take
one is,
Bruno.
Do you all want Bruno or do you think Sancho
No.
can cover Bruno?
I
Sancho
think
is going
Sancho
to
can
play
cover.
because Rashford is injured. So Sancho is definitely going to start all
I think
matches.
if you want
It
United
doesn't matter.
cover, you
Even if
take
Rashford
Greenwood,
was playing, Sancho has to start.
Right mid,
you
yeah.
take Greenwood and then you take a City attacker if you want. But now Grealish coming in, you don't know who's going to play, right? Mahrez would have been
Sancho-
good, but Sancho
Playing
might be good.
playing
Sancho
anyone
definitely
from
will start.
City is very dicey.
I
You
think
have to, like-
except De Bruyne, everybody is risky.
And with Salah, we
Bruyne
can't
definitely
keep KDB. Two premiums. If we are keeping,
there's no
You
problem.
can.
two
Let's
premiums
see how
keep
it
one
works out.
forward, according to me.
See how it
No,
works out.
let's see. So
I think this was a question. We'll address the questions that we had. We had some questions. Wait, I'll check them out.
Yeah, I'll just give you the questions up.
We had a
who else?
few
Are you going
Do
with
you
questions.
think? I think we can go for Sancho right now. Wait, that's Sancho.
Rodriguez has been in very good form.
But the
Very,
problem
very,
is
very good.
He keeps getting injured. That's the
He's
problem.
9.5.
That is the problem. How much is he for, Rodriguez?
He's for 7 million, I think. But who said
You
he's in good form? He hasn't played that much. I believe you
No,
must
no,
have
he
seen.
is. He
We
You must
is.
need to
have seen
see
Jay
how
Rodriguez.
Benitez
That's Jay
plays.
Rodriguez of Burnley. That's Jay Rodriguez of Burnley.
No. There
Yeah,
is.
I was seeing.
Yeah,
I was seeing his this thing.
You're sure?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw Jay Rodriguez at like.
Wait,
I think he had 4 goals and 3 assists or something.
Yeah, 4
that
goals
guy.
and 3 assists. Yeah. Same guy. Where is Sancho, man?
You can't completely go on
Sancho's not here yet.
He's here,
sorted by.
He's in my
Oh,
team.
he is here.
Sancho's in my team.
We are keeping Sancho definitely.
I think
Then
can
the
lift
third
it up.
midfielder
Now
is.
we'll have to go for some budget player in the
You think
midfield.
You think Buendia
put
is
the
worth
budget
it, or you
around
think
7.
Leon
7.5.
Bailey is someone you should take?
I
Leon
would rather
Bailey.
go for Bundia.
You want to keep
I think
Højbjerg in your
Buendia
team
might
as
be
a
better.
budget guy?
Højbjerg, I think no. I think we just go for
Sorted
this
by
guy.
price.
What is this guy's name? What is this guy's name? Ishania player. Gilmore.
Yeah, that's your
Oh,
budget.
yeah, that
He's
is the
definitely
best
the
budget
first
buy.
midfielder, yeah.
He's the best
Yeah.
budget buy. Yeah.
He's
If
been
you
tearing
want-
it up
if
at
you
Leicester.
want-
What do you think about Barnes from Leicester? I think he
No.
switches with Iheanacho,
I
and
think
Daka
it's still,
switches with
we need to
Vardy.
see how
You need to see what Madison's scene is. If Madison leaves for Arsenal, then it might shake up the Leicester midfield. Thoda.
Why will he go to Arsenal? Man?
I don't know. It's in very high talks, so I don't know. And Manu, the whole problem is Lingard
I don't
also
think it'll
might
happen.
start.
I really
I
it
don't
won't
think
happen.
Lingard will start, but Manu also who they'll play is very dicey at this point.
Lingard, no way Lingard starts.
Lingard, Greenwood, one of them. Buenda, we should definitely keep.
I think
Buendia's
Buendia
must
definitely plays, right?
I think
Definitely.
Bundia or Bailey, but I
I
would
think
go
now
for
with
Bundia.
Ings also, I think
Buendia.
Bailey hasn't played in the Prem, so you can't say much. I think Buendia
I think
has experience.
so many people were taking Watkins, and I think that is going to change now with Danny Ings signed.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
I
think Watkins
think
will go to the
Watkins
left,
will
right?
shift off the left. Ings
Exactly.
will play as a
Yeah,
main
not
striker.
necessarily because Watkins, Imao will still start. It's just he'll shift towards the
He'll
left.
start,
Yeah,
but he'll
definitely.
switch to the left. So I don't
That
know
will-
with
That
Buendia
will
and
reduce his attacking threat significantly moving off the left.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
that's
Danny Ings.
And
Danny Ings is lethal. I think if we are keeping Aston Villa forward, we should have Danny Ings over Watkins.
I think,
yeah,
you know,
we need to
Ings and
stick with
Watkins
one
can
Aston
play in a
Villa
2
asset,
also,
I
yeah.
think.
I think
What?
Watkins and Ings can play in a 2 also, like Ings did at Southampton.
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Che Adams.
They
So
can
it's
play a
possible. But I
they
think
can play a
Ings will
3-5-2.
definitely be the more prominent option.
Yeah, and he hogs up all the shots, mostly
Yeah.
at least for Southampton.
Also, another guy whose budget, which is not mentioned, is Phillips. I think Phillips will have contribution coming in this
Calvin
season.
Phillips.
Yeah,
But
he's
how
he's
expensive
for
is he?
5 million. He's for
He's
5
the
million.
most defensive player at Leeds right
Yeah,
now.
but he's for 5 million, and he had attacking contribution in the US. Thoda he had.
He
He's
has,
for 5
he
million.
has, he has
He
set
doesn't
But he's for
have
5
5
million.
He doesn't
He's for
have
5
5
million.
assists.
takes all the set pieces. That's the thing.
He texts.
See,
Yeah,
if-
exactly.
If Gilmore is on corners, then I don't know why you would go for anybody except Gilmore.
Why would you
So
go
keep
for
Gilmore.
Phillips?
I don't know
Gilmore
because
is
we need
definitely a-
money for attack, man. We are using
Don't-
up everything.
Don't get me wrong, but I like Pepe. Like, sorry, Arsenal, whatever, but I like
Pepe.
Pepe.
He could be
Yeah,
good,
Pepe
but
was good at the end of the season. Pepe had good form at the end of the season.
see, the only problem is over here. If you go for somebody like this, then you can't get 3.
What
good
are we doing
forwards. You
about a
get only
Chelsea
2 good
player? Are
forwards.
we observing Chelsea
Hmm.
for the first
I
game
don't
week?
think.
I think we need
they
to
have
take
really
time
bad
on Chelsea.
fixtures.
We cannot just.
I think the
Because
I think
Because
one
even
fixture is
Ziyech
good
has
Crystal
been in
Palace.
good form. I don't know who they will start.
I think defensively we can trust
Ziyech-
them, but attacking wise,
Ziyech
I
is
don't
not
know
in
how
good
they're
form.
going to play.
Ziyech has just played Spurs. Don't take it
Yeah,
like that.
so-
He's not in good form.
No,
But
even before
we
that, he
can't
was
we can't
scoring
trust
goals.
Chelsea attackers, rightly said by Ishan. But what about
Yeah,
Mason
right
Mount?
now
He's going to be an indispensable part of this season as well.
I think if Lukaku comes in, we should definitely keep Lukaku.
I
I
don't
think if
think
Lukaku comes in, you
Mount
can
is also
definitely get
match
a
fit right
Chelsea
now.
attack.
He's not got any.
Mount isn't. That's why I'm pretty sure Havertz will start. But again, if you all don't think he's
I
worth
agree,
the
but
price
it's
tag,
8.5. It's a price
I
tag is
think
quite
only for
Yeah,
only
the
for
price tag
one
is high.
match he's not worth. I think you all won't trust him for the Arsenal match or the Liverpool match.
Oh, I'll
You might
trust
play
him
him
for
for
the
Aston
Arsenal
Villa.
match. Trust.
exactly. Even I trust Havertz for the
I'll
Arsenal.
trust him for
You all
the
said this
Arsenal
last
match.
season. What happened last season? Xhaka scored
It's
that
Arsenal.
free kick and lost won them the match. Yaar.
Nah,
I think Chelsea we should be avoiding that, at least for
I think
the
for
first
now,
few games.
at least for the first few weeks.
Then for
But
the
I like
forwards,
Havertz. I definitely like Havertz.
I think all of us agree. Ivan Toney has to be there.
Obviously.
Hmm.
I don't know.
No?
I think he should be there. Because
I think
how
Ivan
much
Toney
money
should
do we have
definitely
left?
be there.
Dhawan, how much money do we have left?
I think
We
budget
have,
option definitely, yeah.
32
But-
million. We can
Yeah, so we will need Ivan Toney. But there is a lot of options. I think Sarr will be good as well. What are Watford's fixtures?
Yeah,
I think
like
Sarr
Ismaila
could be
Sarr
good
for
at
sure.
Watford. Yeah.
Sarr would be good
But-
at Watford.
And he's at a very good price. 6 million
Exactly.
is, I think 6 million is a bargain for Sarr.
Then you could do maybe. I think you all want to keep DCL.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
think we should
need
have
one
that.
at least.
Yeah, we need
Everton.
DCL.
We need one
I think for the
Everton
first,
player.
I think Everton has the best fixtures, right, at the start.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we need
We
to
need
go
DCL.
one.
And
Not to
DCL is
forget,
very confident. And
DCL
DCL
will
had an
have,
amazing start last season
Yeah.
as well.
he'll have more
What do you think
responsibilities to
about-
score now because Richarlison just played the Copa America and then the Olympics, so he might not be.
I
fit
think
for
it's
the start.
Also-
DCL, Ings.
Also,
I think they've
Sigurdsson. With Sigurdsson's going, I think DCL might be on penalties. Depends on Richarlison and James, but let's see.
Richarlison won't come back at least for the first 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
And they've already got a replacement, Damari Gray, but still Calvert
Yeah, I
Calvert
don't
Lewin
think-
will be
yeah.
the talisman there.
He'll
I think he
definitely
takes Spence
score.
as well, yeah.
Like, yeah, he'll
And
definitely score 3
naturally,
goals in 4 fixtures.
Benitez likes his target man.
Yeah, so definitely.
And the fullbacks will be bombing on, and he will get a lot of chances, I think.
I think DCL should be a must-have. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He is.
Yeah, the second forward. Do you all think
You
Ings
see a
is
budget
worth it
forward
or
there.
not for the
Yeah,
first?
Tony.
Ings.
Let's go, Tony.
I think Tony should be there definitely.
Yeah.
Also, what do you think about Antonio?
He's interesting. Obviously, Newcastle first game. Newcastle have not had a very good transfer window at all.
Yeah, even the
And-
preseason was really bad.
Yeah,
So
so we could
I think
target for the
fixtures,
first 2-3
that's fine.
matches.
okay,
They've
the
got
first 4
2-3
matches.
are good.
Yeah, Newcastle
can
is
But
easy.
if you want a West Ham
Leicester
player,
also.
And then
I mean,
can-
we should go for a West Ham defender then.
No, I would rather
I
go
think
for
we-
Antonio.
But then West Ham
I
are being
think,
constantly linked with this new striker, Tammy Abraham or someone or the other. So that might
I think
affect
Antonio
Antonio
is
still
going to
plays. I think
Atlanta.
Antonio
Position.
does. We've seen Antonio. I think Antonio still plays. It doesn't matter who comes.
Antonio will
Antonio
But
has to
he
play.
might not star as the main striker then, which might
He has
reduce.
to. He will. He can even
He
play as
will.
a winger. So either way, Antonio, I
Antonio
think
is like-
we must
Yeah,
target
even I think
Antonio.
Antonio will start.
Damn, Aston Villa.
If you all want
Enzo
one more
will change
budget,
that.
buy, if you all want a budget forward and you all want to go for De Bruyne, check if it's possible. A budget forward and De Bruyne. I don't mind that.
You need 2 million. So you
We-
need to give 5.5 million. What do you think about Jimenez after?
After 3 games, actually, if we can
Yeah.
rotate from Antonio to Jimenez later, I think it
my
would be
God,
good.
Watford, Brentford, Southampton. Proper Jimenez is going to be good.
Yeah, so first 3 we can go for Antonio, and then we can have a rotation plan to go back to Jimenez.
So right
How
now you
much
have
do we
10
have
million.
left?
You have 10 million. If
I
you
would
want
say we go
De
for a
Bruyne-
5.5 million forward. We go for Neketay or someone, and then we take De Bruyne.
We need to target 3 forward lines at least. And there are too many.
But
think
if
you
we
have
have,
3-4-3, right?
if we have, we could play 3-4-3. We could play 3-5-2 or something.
But Gilmore, then you have to upgrade to.
And Tony.
Even
is not-
Neketaya has been good, but the problem is he won't start.
As it is,
Otherwise-
Tony,
Lacazette keeps hogging his place. Yeah.
you can't trust Tony as it is for the whole campaign. So he will be my bench option, right?
Yeah, I think
He's not your main
Definitely.
striker.
I think what you do then, you could get De Bruyne if you want. You'll have to downgrade Sancho to Greenwood, and then you can afford De Bruyne. It's 2 million down and 2 million up. That's the other option if you want.
See, it
I
Or
am
you
not
could-
sure. I am not sure Greenwood will start again.
Yeah, I don't think Green will start either.
Uh, but Sancho hasn't started training yet, right? I think he starts training on Friday. Tomorrow.
That is the
I
whole
think he starts
problem.
training tomorrow. I don't think he plays the game
Also, I
against
think
Everton
we'll
that you'll
get a
have
good
on
look. I
Saturday.
think we'll get more clarity on City's attacking formation and all in the Community Shield match on Saturday.
Either way, De Bruyne is the main man there.
I think
Yeah,
De
he
Bruyne
will
has
be
to.
there.
You have to go for De Bruyne, otherwise you don't go
Yeah.
for anybody. Mahrez is like bit of a punt.
Grealish could be
You don't know how
interesting.
many games he starts.
Yeah.
But
It depends
Grealish
on the
again,
price tag. It depends on the price tag.
no
If
price
he's
won't
for
What are the
change.
9,
price tags?
Price will
what
not
is
change.
it?
No, price is just
What is it? What
it's
is
at
it right
8.
now?
I think it's
Mahrez
I
is
think
9
we can
million.
keep him.
Grealish is 8 million.
I think we can keep Grealish there.
Yeah.
He might
maybe.
not start the season again.
you can do one thing if you want. You can go for Fernandez and then you can go for Grealish and you'll have 0.5 Zada. So you'll have to get Trent to Robertson, but then you'll have Salah,
Fernandez,
Grealish,
Grealish.
and
I
then that
think it
forward
is a
line.
good idea.
Salah,
It is
Fernandez,
not a
Grealish
bad idea.
sounds bloody
I
good.
mean, yeah, it sounds really good. But I'm not sure if Fernandez will perform either at the start of the season.
You would
He
rather
left
go.
it
I
off
think
really
you would
bad.
rather go with Salah, Sancho, and De Bruyne though.
Same.
You can't go Salah, Sancho, De Bruyne. You have to go Salah, Greenwood, De Bruyne.
We can downgrade Ivan Toney then.
But then Ivan Toney, if you downgrade, you'll have to go down to 4.5. 4.5, there's only Davis, who's okay. And he also won't start now, he's become the third striker.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't expect your third one to start. You can
No,
play a
but-
4-4-2 then.
But you'll
Yeah,
have to
we
play,
can
you'll
play
have to play
4-4-2.
Ailing then. You'll have to play Ailing then.
You can
Ailing is
transfer
gonna
out
play every
Ailing to
match.
someone else.
He's going to play, but then what will you do in the first, say,
Yeah, it makes sense.
United and Everton, then
You can
Liverpool
get
in
a
game week 4.
4.5 defender. You can get a good 4.5 defender. I don't think that's a
You
problem.
can go for White if you want,
No,
but
Arsenal.
Arsenal. We
I
are
think-
not going for Arsenal defender.
I think after
They-
game week 3 you can go for him, go for White, but I don't know till game week 3 sounds tough.
I'm telling you, go for a West Ham defender then for the first 3 match days.
If you go for West Ham defender, then you'll still have to. What will you do with the last midfielder?
How much is Kufal
Uh,
for? You can go for
Sufal is for
Kufal.
5. Sufal is also 5 only, but unless you'll think you can downgrade Shaw to Sufal and then do something.
No, we can downgrade. We can change Ailing to Sufal. We can downgrade Tony completely. There's no 4 million forward though. Wait, I'm checking defense options.
There's only 4.5 for strikers.
Ailing is probably the best bet in that price range.
What's that? Pedro. Pedro is the forward for Watford. If you think that you want Salah,
Joao Pedro
Sancho,
could
and De
start.
Bruyne, Joao Pedro, you could put him for
Yeah,
This guy,
yeah,
Antonio.
definitely.
and then you can get Salah, De Bruyne, and Sancho.
For Antonio, who do we put?
Joao Pedro. He is good. I think Dini doesn't
He is
start
good.
out games either.
No, I think
think-
he starts.
I think the 4.5 bracket we could look at.
Why
a
don't we
Burnley
take
defender.
Dini then? Troy Dini. He starts the games. He's for 5.5.
No, he's not the. He wasn't in main striker last year.
Then
that
no, he
championship
scored a
to
couple of
start
goals.
promotion.
I checked the goals. He scored he has 11
But
goals
on
and
regular
6-7
starts, he won't
assists.
be a regular starter for sure.
Then who do you think will start?
It'll be Dini's situation will be like Mitrovic at Fulham last year.
Yeah,
They're
exactly.
thinking that he's good, but he won't start. Who else could we get?
What if we change
Son's a good
Antonio
option.
to
Son's a good
what if
option
we-
if you think that Kane will come back and you think Kane will play against
What if we change
high line of-
Antonio to Pukki and then we change Cash to someone else? 4.5 player. We change Cash
Just
to
see the-
Quaidi. Cash to
just see
Quaidi.
the
Quaidi's.
See the
See
Norwich start.
fixtures.
Cookie is so
Liverpool, City, Leicester, Arsenal.
so bad.
Pukki scored against all of them, to be fair.
That was a dream start.
He only
It's not
scored.
gonna
He
happen
only
every
scored
season.
against Liverpool last year. The last
He
season.
scored 2 against
Just
Liverpool.
lucky.
He scored 1 against. He scored against
Can't
all
back
the
him
big
to do
five.
that again.
He's been playing very well in the
the
championship.
championship. यार. That's a championship to play against the top of the Premier League. It's like 20
And they've
teams
even-
above.
They're going to promote even Adam Ida, I think. Even
Then
he's
who
gonna
starts
be
for
promoted.
Watford? Can someone check who starts for Watford?
And Norwich might lose Todd Cantwell to Aston Villa,
Who
which
starts?
will
Well, comes
reduce
to
their
Aston
creativity
Villa,
significantly.
then to-
Who starts for Watford?
I think Joao Pedro and Ismail Assar, I think both will start.
So we can keep Pedro. That solves the problem. Or if you all want to downgrade Tony, why are we not seeing Obafemi? Because Danny Ings is gone. Obafemi might get a bench. Like Obafemi will be on the
Tella
bench,
will
so
start.
definitely.
Tella is the one that should.
But Obafemi will be on the bench for sure.
But you'll have to, if you're getting De Bruyne, then you're going to have
Because
to.
Southampton's formation is that way only. That they will have someone.
I think put De Bruyne there. We can work it out otherwise later.
Put De
Just
Bruyne
put
there.
De
Add
Bruyne.
De Bruyne
We
to
need De
the
Bruyne
midfield.
there. Because if Kane also comes to City, then De Bruyne will have like
That's
time
the
of
end
his
of the
life.
It's done. It's
Then
done.
De Bruyne is
It's
having the
over.
time of his life. How much are we off by now exactly?
We're off by 2.
Okay. I think straight away Ivan Toney to Davies makes complete sense.
No, but then you're going to have to play Ailing every week.
Yeah, remove Ailing for someone else.
So what you could do is you can get Tony to Davis, and then you'll be at proper, and then you upgrade Ailing to Shufal and Alexander Arnold to Robertson, and then you'll have 4 proper playing defenders.
I think
And
that
then-
works.
Sense.
4-4-2. You'll have a good 4-4-2.
And we have Gilmore and Williams. We can have Gilmore as the first. Because, see, out of these players, someone not starting will be Sancho. If someone doesn't start, it will be
I think
Sancho.
Sancho's the
Sancho
only
will
one
start.
who might not start.
I don't think he will start the first
Sancho
game.
has to start.
Because he hasn't started training yet.
I
Still
think
has
what
7
you can
days.
do is if you think that Sancho isn't going to start, and you want to take a risk on Mahrez.
We all
because
could
if he
include
plays-
Nicholas Pepe instead of Sanchez. Straight 2 million benefit over there. Pepe, I think it's going to be his make-up break season. So I have positive
I like
feelings.
Pepe. I definitely like Pepe.
Yeah, so we could do that and then we can switch the forward again if this happens.
Then
the end.
Yeah, I think that you could do. Who were we going for? Davis, right?
why do Watford have so many strikers?
You know, Origi could be good if he goes to another club. At 5
he's
million.
not leaving.
I don't think he will go
He's
to
not
another club.
leaving.
He's
You
not
know,
leaving.
where this thing. Y'all think so? I'll save this team.
I think this works. We will post this team as well, guys. So don't worry about it.
What do you think should be the team?
Which team do we have?
Has
We
some
don't
good
have any
names,
Chelsea player though.
Bet.
We don't have any Chelsea player.
Nah, that's fine. I think we need to.
I think we
need to
could,
see
if there's
how
a
they're
problem,
gonna
we
line
could,
up and,
yeah.
and see
We
the
could
stats.
even say
What do you want
Sancho
to keep
to
the team name?
I think Vedas Spooky. I like that.
Beda Spooky is my team name. I'm not keeping that.
Just call it the name of the segment, FPL Scout.
FPP.
Yeah, FPP Scout.
FPP Scout. Okay. We go for a same name here.
The team should be obviously Sanchez. Nice.
We'll get De Bruyne in and get Antonio in. Gilmore out. Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
Who do you think should be captain? I think Salah doesn't have
Has to be Salah.
anybody to.
Has to be Salah.
And Vice, I think you might want to keep Calvert-Lewin
DCL.
or
I think DCL.
Later on, if you want to switch someone around, you can go for like if you want to switch Sancho around, you can remove Sancho, take Zaha in, and put Che Adams up front. If Southampton performs,
See, I like Crystal Palace this season, but obviously
think
Zaha,
more-
I don't know.
yeah,
Defensively,
that's
I
what I'm
think
telling
you
later on. After like, I want to see Crystal Palace how they'll go. I've taken Crystal
Yeah,
Palace.
even
players in
their
my
defense, I don't mind Mitchell actually. He's supposed
Mitchell
to be a
might be
very
good.
attacking fullback. And
Mitchell
with
is at 4.5, no?
yeah,
Yeah.
with Guehi and Anderson, that's a very solid defense they've got there.
team. Exactly.
Yeah.
But I think we
Crystal
should
Palace
stick
is
with
actually looking very good, but
Two
like for
five-
later on probably.
5 million defenders. I think that's fine. Kufal and
I
Cash.
think one thing you could do if you think, like I said before, if you want to take a punt on Mahrez, you think Sancho isn't going to start, you take Sancho to Mahrez and
No. I
De
think
Bruyne
I don't think
to-
Sancho to
De Bruyne to
Mahrez.
Fernandes.
There's no point keeping two City midfielders because the Pep
Sancho
rotation is
Sancho
going to hit.
No, Sancho to Mahrez and De Bruyne to Fernandes, and then you can upgrade Robertson
No,
back to
I don't.
Trent.
Obviously, De Bruyne is much more likely to start for City than Mahrez is.
Yeah, but if
Yeah,
you think
yeah,
Sancho
for
isn't
sure.
going to start, then at 9.5, it's a very big miss if
no.
you think Sancho isn't going to start.
Because Sancho will
We'll
start.
come to know
Sancho will
later
start.
in the week
He's
because
still a
Rashford
seven-
is injured. Because
You're
Rashford
not
is injured,
getting it.
that's why I feel.
Even if he's not training yet, he still has 7 days to start playing
Yeah.
with the team. And most of them are English at United, and he'll fit right in. I don't think it's a problem. I think he'll slot right into that right wing spot and tear this league apart.
But then where will Greenwood play?
Greenwood doesn't have to start the games.
Greenwood can start as strike. Cavani hasn't come back yet.
And
I think he has
Martial
come back
is
by.
Yeah.
not.
Cavani has
I'm
come.
not sure.
Cavani will start. Mostly Cavani. It's going to be
It'll be
Bruno.
shared. Like I think it's going to be 60-40 between Greenwood and Cavani. I think
yeah.
Greenwood will get more minutes than Cavani this season.
So I think this is the final team that we're going with for now. I think we can
Yeah.
obviously
I think
change
we
it
can
in the
keep the
next
rest of the
week.
discussion for another episode. But
Yeah.
thank you guys for
We
tuning
can,
in.
and if you want to remove Sancho, take in Pogba, man.
No, yeah, Pogba doesn't play for United.
Nah. He's not an FPL asset. He's a very good player. Don't get me wrong, but he's not an
Yeah.
FPL asset.
Yeah.
But
So-
if he does start well this season, then 7.5 million is bargain for Pogba. If he
अगली
plays
season
like
ये होता है if he starts playing this season और फिर season खत्म हो जाता है.
He plays 5 matches per season.
But if Kane stays, we are taking a Tottenham player, right? We are taking Son.
I think if Kane stays, you can
No,
get Son for 10 million.
Yeah.
I think
I don't think so. I think this is much. If you get Son, who do you get Son for? You get 0.5 more and upgrade Sancho, but then you don't have any Manchester cover. I think we should stick with this.
Guy believes in my team. I like him.
I don't even know what your team is, man. Seriously.
No one does.
Right then. That'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys.
Thank
if
you,
you're
guys.
watching till the end.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
And more top
Thank
quality
you, guys.
football content. For more top quality FPL content now, keep listening to the Football Parliament podcast. Thank you.